Hello and welcome students. Let's see this question number 4. It's a very simple question and the question goes as if f of x is equal to x cube plus x minus 2, find f inverse dash 0. Okay, so we have to find f inverse dash 0. Okay, before I start solving question, I would like to ask a few questions to you. Students, when I'm given f of x and I want from this I want f dash x, what does that mean? How do I get f dash x from f of x? Yes, think on this. How do I get f dash x from f of x? Yes, you are right, very correct. We will get this when we will differentiate f of x with respect to x. Very well. This, when we differentiate with respect to x, we get f dash x. Okay. So, students, the next question to you is, what should I do in order, say after getting f dash x, what should I do to get f dash 0? After getting f dash x, my question is, once I have got f dash x, what should next be done in order to get f dash 0? Okay, think on it. Well done, very good. You will put in this, you put x equals to 0. When you put x 0 in f dash x, you get f dash 0. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. So once you have understood this, the question which they are asking you, you will understand it much better way. So in this, what's happening, students, we have to find f dash of f inverse. Okay, we don't have to find f dash x, we have to find f inverse dash x and then f inverse dash 0. Now, so what you have to understand here is that from, as you have f of x, the inverse of f of x is f inverse x. Then when, as you have f of x, you have f inverse x. It is inverse function of, it is inverse of f. Then I will differentiate this with respect to x. I will differentiate this with respect to x. So remember, students, when you differentiate f of x, you get f dash of, you will get dash of f, you get dash of f, that is f dash x. So when you differentiate this, you will get dash of f inverse. So dash of f inverse will look like this, students. See, f inverse, it will look like f inverse and dash of x. This is f inverse dash of x. Very simple. F of x, f dash, f inverse. So f inverse dash, that's it. As you put dash here, for f, as you put dash, for f inverse you put dash, but then if I put, see, if I put f inverse and dash, it doesn't look good. So that's why we have to put a bracket here for f inverse. I hope it's clear, you understand this. Okay, very simple thing. Then after having found f inverse of dash x, what is next step? What you will do in order to find f inverse dash 0, as they are demanding here, you will put x as 0. So when you put x equals to 0, you get f inverse of dash and f inverse of dash 0 you get. Okay, so let's start solving, students. So what we have to do, we have to find first we have to find f inverse dash x here. Okay, so see, how do I find? I write fourth, given f of x equals to x cube plus x minus 2, differentiating with respect to x. So d by dx of f of x equals to d by dx of x cube plus x minus 2. So when I do this, I will get, therefore f dash of x equals to derivative of x cube 3x squared, derivative of x plus 1 minus 0, derivative of 2 is 0. So f dash x equals to 3x squared plus 1. I know what you all are thinking. You are thinking that we had to find, we did not have to find, you all are thinking that why did sir solve for f dash x, because f dash x wasn't to be found. We did not have to find f dash x, we had to find f dash of, we had to find f inverse dash. I know you are thinking that this was not required, it was this which was required. Why did I find this? Very simple, students. Once I have found this, with the help of the theorem, I will find out this. What is the theorem? You already know. The theorem says that derivative of inverse functions are reciprocal of each other. Derivative of inverse functions are reciprocal of each other. So I will write here, therefore, I will write here, we know that f inverse dash x is equal to 1 upon f dash x. F inverse dash x is 1 upon f dash x. So I will get f inverse dash x equals to 1 over 3x square plus 1. What is next required? They wanted, they asked for f inverse dash 0. So I will substitute x as 0. I write here put x equals to 0. I write this as 2 and this one is 1 here. So I can write using put x equals to 0 in 2. So you get f inverse dash 0 is 1 upon 3 into 0 square plus 1. That is 1 upon 0 plus 1. That is answer is 1. F inverse dash 0 is 1. This is final answer. I hope you are getting it. Okay. You can replay the video to understand this much better way. Okay. If any doubt, you can always put in the comment section. I will solve this for you once again. Thank you, students.